All right, my people, well, welcome back onto this channel. A lot of things are going on right now. Many things are happening. Ó ti wá dojú ẹ̀ báyìí o. Ọlọ́run má jẹ́ n rí nǹkan tí máa fi pàtẹ́wọ́ fún Tinubu. Ọlọ́run má jẹ́ a rí nǹkan tá fi máa pàtẹ́wọ́ fún Tinubu. My brother, my sister, there is this video that is going viral right now. A lady was interviewed on social media, and then somebody, in fact, she's an elderly woman in the market. She was selling, and this woman is fed up. And the person interviewing asked this woman that, can you clap for the president Bola Ahmed Tinubu? And then she replied, Ọlọ́run má jẹ́ n rí nǹkan tí máa fi pàtẹ́wọ́ fún Tinubu. Ayé Tinubu ò ní dá. Olórí burúkú ni Tinubu. Rí nǹkan tó sún wa sí. Pẹ̀lú bọ́n ṣe ní pé ká dìbò tá dẹ̀ dìbò fún Tinubu. Ẹ wo nǹkan tó fojú wa rí. Ọlọ́run má jẹ́ n rí nǹkan tí máa fi pàtẹ́wọ́ fún Tinubu. Exactly what this elderly woman said. It was so shocking and painful. My brother, my sister, it's not funny at all. I know a lot of people will be like, it's funny. This is not funny. An elderly woman, this woman has tried her best to raise her children, that it will not get to a stage whereby the children will be given back to her. But now the reverse is the case. It's even she that is still suffering for the children. This woman talked about how foodstuffs have been so expensive in the regime of Tinubu. Well, we all know what is going on, and everybody has been coming out one after the other. Thank God. See, it has gotten to that level. Nobody should pamper anybody. Yes. Some months ago, some people came out. They were of the opinion that Tinubu, ṣé Tinubu ló bà Nàìjíríà jẹ́ ni, ṣé wọ́n ti bàjẹ́ kí Tinubu tó débẹ̀. All those people, that was like 2 months ago. Wọ́n parọ́ pé wọ́n ti bàjẹ́ torí wọ́n jẹ́ wọ́n lọ ti bà ìlú yẹn jẹ́ kí Tinubu tó débẹ̀. Àwọn ìyá tá ń sọ nsìn 2 months ago, oṣù méjì sẹ́yìn ló sọ, ṣùgbọ́n nísìn èpè ni gbogbo wọn ṣẹ́ fún Tinubu. Èpè, kò sẹ́ni tó sọ pé bóyá Tinubu wọ́n ti bàjẹ́ mọ́ sìn, gbogbo wọn pé kò ní dá fún Tinubu sẹ̀, pé a lè pàtẹ́wọ́ fún pé because olórí burúkú ni Tinubu, òun ló bà ayé wa jẹ́ báyìí. Ìyá ní láti máa sọ pé ó ní orò kan táwọn fẹ́ ṣe, pátì tán fẹ́ ṣe, àwọn àjọ̀dún tán máa ń ṣe, páwọn ní wọṣọ, páwọn máa gbé ọyàn lásán jáde, àwọn máa fi ṣẹ́ ìpè fún Tinubu. Ṣẹ́yìn náà ti rí nǹkan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ báyìí. Wọ́n máa ṣẹ́ ìpè yẹn tó nẹ́pọn pé because pé in fact ẹ̀yìn odi aṣọ làwọn máa wọ̀. Ṣé ọmọ ọtí yẹn mean? Àwọn ìyá yẹn làwọn máa wọ̀ odi aṣọ lórí festival tó ń fẹ́ ṣe yẹn. Páwọn dẹ̀ máa ṣẹ́ ìpè fún Tinubu pé páwọn ní gbà, páwọn ní gbàṣẹ. Àwọn Yorùbá wọ́n ti fárígá. Àwọn Yorùbá wọ́n ti bínú tán. Báyìí ní gbà, nǹkan tó bá máa gbà la máa fún. My brother, my sister, it is not funny at all. Èmi ò ní pàtẹ́wọ́ fún Tinubu, àbó lórí burúkú ni Tinubu. That's exactly what everybody are saying. Now, with the news reaching us, it had been gathered that some elders, meaning some northern elders, they went to meet the president Bola Ahmed Tinubu that Chief Sunday Igboho should not be allowed to return back to Nigeria. We are talking about northern elders, that they must not, that Chief Sunday Igboho must not be allowed to return to Nigeria. And what they are saying is that even if he tries to come back to Nigeria, he should be arrested. That Chief Sunday Igboho should be arrested. Now you understand what that means. That he must not be allowed to come back to Nigeria. My brother, my sister, what is going on? And then our president has been leading to that? If not, why is it that Chief Sunday Igboho is not back? Now, we have said this times to that number. Everybody needs to wake up. Everyone needs to wake up. Now, if the elders, the advice right now is this: if the elders are not ready to support the movement, I think it would be better for we the youth to stand out, to come out and speak out, because we have seen it that many of these elders are scared, and some of them maybe because of what they are getting. I think that's exactly why a lot of them are keeping mute. On a very good day, they don't want any bad thing to happen to the people, but with what is going on, with what they are getting, and then the worst scenario is that peanut they are getting, but that peanut, they are ready to buy anything. And then look at, everybody is being paid. Wọ́n pa àwọn èèyàn lọ́tùn, wọ́n pa àwọn èèyàn lósì. Ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa, ṣé na like this we go dey dey? Ṣé bá ṣe máa wò rè tí gbogbo ẹ̀dẹ̀ máa dojúrú? Ṣé bá ṣe máa wò rè tí gbogbo ẹ̀dẹ̀ máa bàjẹ́? Kí ló ń ṣẹlẹ̀ gangan? Because gbogbo bó ṣe ń lọ yìí, kò yẹ kó máa lọ báyìí o. Kò yẹ kó máa lọ báyìí rárá. Now, àwọn èèyàn ti pariwo síta, gbogbo àwọn ìyá ọlọ́jà wọ́n ti ní pé páwọn ní gbà, páwọn máa da gbogbo ẹ̀rú ni. And then kàn tẹ̀ wá dàrú yẹn gan ló máa dà báyìí. Ká da gbogbo ẹ̀rú, ká turn upside down, ká kúkú mọ̀ pé a ti da gbogbo ẹ̀rú, because wọ́n lè wá máa pa wá lójoojúmọ́ náà. Káwọn Fúlàní máa pa wá, káwọn ìjọba kàn máa ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ pé àwọn ò rí nǹkan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀. Àwọn èèyàn dẹ̀ ń kú lójoojúmọ́. Ẹ̀mí àwọn èèyàn là ń sọ yìí, kò ń ṣe ẹ̀mí eṣinṣin, kò dẹ̀ ń ṣe ẹ̀mí ẹ̀fọn. Ẹ̀mí àwọn èèyàn ló ń lọ lójoojúmọ́, tó ń pa àwọn èèyàn bí ẹran. Nígbà tí ó kọ́kọ́ bẹ̀rẹ̀ ní ìlú Haúsá, gbogbo wa wò pé ṣèbí ara wọn ni, kàn máa para wọn, àwọn lọ́mọ wàhálà tiwọn nìyẹn. Ẹ̀gbọ́n mi àtàbúrò mi, ó ti wá dé àdúgbò wa báyìí, tó wọ́n ń pa àwọn èèyàn, kàn ń pa ọmọ Yorùbá bí ìgbà pé wọ́n pa eṣinṣin. Kò dẹ̀ sẹ́ni tó ń sọ anything. A lè continue báyìí o, láyéláyé. No. We can never continue like this. Kò jọ. Because with the way the whole thing is going, my brother, my sister, it is very, very bad. No. A lè continue báyìí. Igbe tí everybody ń pa ń sìn nìyẹn. Kí ló ń ṣẹlẹ̀ gangan náà? Kí ló dé tẹ́ gbogbo àwọn àgbààgbà ò fẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀? Now, àwọn tó ń lọ bí iṣẹ́ ń sìn pẹ̀lú gbogbo ẹ̀, wọn kò ṣe pé wọ́n increase salary o. Wọ́n increase salary. Àwọn èèyàn kẹ̀dẹ̀ rí the same amount owó kan náà tó ń san fáwọn èèyàn, làwọn èèyàn máa tún fowó yẹn, wọ́n máa tún fi wọ mọ́tò. Owó mọ́tò tuntun gbówó lórí times 2. Láti bí báyìí síwájú bẹ̀ yẹn, ọ̀kadà 200 naira nísìn. Àwọn èèyàn dẹ̀ wá bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní fẹsẹ̀ ṣá. Ibi tó yẹ kó fẹsẹ̀ ṣá ń sìn, wàá fẹsẹ̀ ṣá ni o, tí ò sówó lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀. Ṣẹ́yìn náà rí bẹ́ẹ̀. Ara nǹkan tá à ń sọ nìyẹn. Ọlọ́run ṣàánú. Ṣé rí ìyà yẹn ti pọ̀ jù? Ó ti pọ̀ jù. Àwọn kan pariwo pé àwọn aṣíwájú blogger, ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn lẹ lọ vote, tẹ lọ ń pariwo, tẹ ń campaign. Gbogbo wọn sìn, gbogbo wọn ti fìdí rẹmi báyìí. Ètò fìdí rẹmi inú wọn ti sá padà sí Yoruba nation. Kò funny rárá o. Kò funny. The way tán fi ń pa àwọn èèyàn lójoojúmọ́, tán ń gbé àwọn èèyàn lójoojúmọ́, ó tiẹ̀ wá lè travel mọ́ báyìí, wọ́n á gbé ẹni. Ṣé àdéhùn ní jáde ká lọ pawó? Àwọn tó yẹ pé iṣẹ́ wọn tí wọn bá ti lè travel, wọn lè rówó pa. Wọn kò dẹ̀ sí everybody lólówó àti gbé flight. Kò ṣe everybody now. So now ṣé wàá fẹ́ ní kí àwọn people yẹn kàn máa jẹun ni? Àmọ́ àwọn tó yẹ pé gbogbo àwọn driver tó ń ṣiṣẹ́ ní irú ilé company tí wọ́n ti ń wa mọ́tò tán fi ń gbé àwọn èèyàn lọ láti ibì kan sí ibì kan sìn. Ṣèbí ibẹ̀ náà ti ń ro owó salary wọn. So fẹ́ ní káwọn dírẹ́bà yẹn sìn pé kán máa lọ wọ́n adẹ̀ tí mo yẹ àwọn dírẹ́bà tó ti pa lọ́nà báyìí táwọn Fúlàní ti pa lórí wípé àwọn ẹni ẹlẹ́ni wọ́n wà nǹkan tó máa jẹ. Ṣé bá ṣe máa wà rèé? Ṣé na like this we go dey dey? Hi ọmọ ilé yìí ó tojú sú everybody o. Ṣé bá ṣe máa wò rèé tí gbogbo ẹ̀dẹ̀ máa dàrú? Bíkọ́ kò yé wa gbogbo ẹ̀ upside down ni. Àwọn èèyàn rẹ̀ wọ́n dẹ̀ gbẹ́nu dákẹ́, kò sẹ́ni tó fẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀, kò sẹ́ni tó fẹ́ jáde kan sọ̀rọ̀. Wẹ́ adúpẹ́ pé àwọn kankan ti ń jáde báyìí. Irú ìyá tó jáde ẹ̀ sí pé òun ò lè pàtẹ́wọ́ fún Tinubu láéláé. Káwa ti rò bí ìyá yẹn sọ pé ìyá yẹn máa rẹ́rìn bí ó fọ́ ni, ìyá dẹ̀ ń sunkún dẹ̀ ń sọ pé òun ò lè pàtẹ́wọ́ fún Tinubu o, pé Tinubu ò ṣe èèyàn gidi, pé lórí burúkú ni Tinubu sẹ̀, pé festival táwọn fẹ́ ṣe yìí pé àwọn máa make sure pé òdì aṣọ làwọn wọ̀, àwọn dẹ̀ máa gbọ́yàn síta, àwọn dẹ̀ máa bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní iṣẹ́ ìpè. My brother, my sister, it has gotten to that level. Everybody needs to wake up. Everyone needs to wake up because the whole thing right now has turned upside down. If everybody is of the opinion that why would you allow strangers to come and be ruling us in our own land? To the extent they have that guts to say all our governors are gardeners, that all southwest governors are gardeners, say they are just helping them to be watering their farmland, that at the right time they are taking over, and you are out there, you are telling us that one Nigeria Lomashi. My brother, my sister, it is better we wake up before it is too late. It's only the good Lord that will help us. Everybody has called on the President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Everybody is begging before it is too late. Let Yoruba people go their separate ways. At least this is a self-determination group. At least this is their right to live, because it has exceeded the 100 years treaty that was given, that after 100 years you cannot decide if you want to still be together or you go your separate ways. But the way it has been now, this set of people are not thinking towards it, most especially our Yoruba people, because some people say that the major people that do not even want us to live are the politicians, because to them they are okay, so they don't care about others, and God is bigger than them. Either they like it or not, every enemy of our soul, God will deal with them one after the other. They can never escape it. Well, it's only the good Lord that will continue to help us. On to this one, my brother, my sister, what more can we say? Meanwhile, let me have your own take on this one, and then remember to subscribe for more updates if you are just joining us on this channel for the first time. All right, thanks and God bless.